In this episode, we will learn how to say I'm an ambivert in Chinese, which is 我是一个双向性格的人. How to keep it in your mind easily? Here's my solution for you. Imagine that you are in a job interview and you really want to get the job. When the HR asks you, what's your biggest advantage compared to other candidates? And you told him, actually, it's my personality. I can easily switch from extrovert to introvert, and I am an ambivert. So I'm an ambivert. In Chinese, we say 我是一个双向性格的人. And here, the English name at the bottom just help you to pronounce the Chinese character correctly, while the figure above it help you to memorize the pronunciation easily. From left to right, it is 我是一个双向性格的人. And 双向性格的, it means ambiversive. Another very important sentence is what's your personality? In Chinese, we say 你的性格怎样? And here, 性格, it means personality. And 怎样, it means how or what. So as you can see, literally it means what's your personality or how is your personality. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment if you have. Thank you.